Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see by the title, this is gonna be a wig review. On my first ever, I said that, first ever lace front wig. Yes, and this is her on my head. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe, like this video. You know the usual spill I usually do, all that good stuff. Share to your friends and your mama, and your auntie, you know, so they can slay too. So let's get started. I always do that. I don't know if I've been sick lately or what's going on. So I got this wig from, excuse the box, WoWEbony. Yes, this is a WoWEbony unit. My first time ever ordering from them. Won't be my last, and I'll tell you why. Well, these are my initial thoughts right here because, baby, you know what I'm saying? This is a lace front wig, a glueless lace front wig. If you know me personally, which not too many people do, I don't like to complicate things. I don't like I'm not crafty with the they be putting that glue stuff. I don't like that. So if you one of those people like me, like you can't deal with that type of stuff. You take your wig off every day. You can't be putting that stuff. This is your video, okay? Stay on this video. So this is a glueless wig. That means it has a comb right here, which I don't use because I don't use that. It has two combs right here. I use those. A comb in the back. I'm not using that right now. And it's still snug on my head. Like, I don't think it's going nowhere. So, glueless, lace front. So what that means is it just has lace from here to here. All this is lace. This is not. So, yeah. Like, let me show you. This is lace. Can you see that? Yeah, I probably can't because it's so tight together. But all this is lace. Lace front wig. This is in the style LFW 095. Indian Remy hair. I'll put the link below, all that good stuff. And I got it in 20 inches. Oh, Jesus. And I got it in 20 inches. I think this is a body wave. Yeah, body wave textures. Real light, soft curls. 20 inches. And I think I got it in a number 1B. I got it in 1B. This is a 130 density. I wish I would have got it in 150. That's the only thing. Like, I like big hair. This is kind of like, eh. But it's still pretty. Like, you know, it's still pretty. Like, it's very pretty. And my cap size is medium. Okay, let's talk about my cap size. It's perfect. Like, for my head. I knew to get a medium because small. I know my head is not small. So you can look at my head. I mean, try to. But this fits snug on my head. Like, I don't got no room. I like that though because it's perfect. Like, if it sit right here, it like, you know. But if you have a large head, you're gonna need a large because this gonna be too small for you. You're gonna be hurting. So FYI. Let me tell you the good things I like about this wig. And let's see the good things I like. First of all, it's soft as heck. This is, I'm brushing it through. Like, I haven't gotten any shed hair. The only shed hair I did get, I'm sure, is from the lace cutting because it was so small. Like, you know how you cut the lace, you probably cut a piece of hair. That's it. And plus, I tried to cut little layers. Y'all probably can't even see it. I tried to cut little layers in it because I ain't like how all of it was 20 inches. Because, you know, you got to do it up. I ain't put no heat on this. I like the natural look. I don't like uniformed looks like that. I like to look a little, you know. So, yeah. Tangles, no. Shedding, no. I put powder under my part. somebody gonna come for me about that. Like, oh, you should have put. Okay, you know what? Thanks, sis. I need to do my edges too, cause baby, my edges won't like that. If y'all know a good edge control, help me, please help me. I'm getting sick. Like I can't. Okay, I'm back. So, it had some lace in the back too. I had to cut, or my friend cut for me. So I don't know if that matters to you guys, but I love this wig, baby. Like, ooh, I'm ordering for them again. Next time I'm getting me a curly one though. But I love this wig. Thank you, WoWEbony, for this sun. Like, it's not even. First of all, it's cloudy. So why is it so? It's so bright, y'all. Okay, this box is like broken. Thank you, WoWEbony. But yeah, that's all I have for this review. If y'all want to update, just let me know. Some months from now, I'll try to update y'all. But it's a thumbs up for me, sis. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back for more. You might see a vlog soon. Just saying, you might. I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Peace.